Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and studying hard at home and you are revising the chapters as well. Children, this is the last part of our third chapter. So we are going to finish the chapter today and you will be getting some questions to solve. So be ready with your notebook and pen. So let's start the remaining part of chapter 3.
Okay, now the next point we will study today is community life. Neolithic people settled down permanently and began to live in small villages. These villages consisted of a new closely built houses surrounded by a common fence of prickly bush and mud walls. Soon the concept of families came into being. The people living in the village were closely related and shared same customs and methods of worship. Such group of people was called tribe. As you can see through the picture, this settlement led to new occupation and specialization of labor. They carried out many activities like farming, herding, hunting, gathering and fishing in groups. There were no inequalities within the tribe in terms of wealth. Their work was divided according to their age, experiences, wisdom and physical strength. The eldest, strongest and the ablest was the leader, while women took care of home and children, helped in agricultural activities like sowing and harvesting, and protecting crops from pests. Now, the next is religion. Now, as they began to live in a community, they started worshipping water, fire, rain and thunder, and also the sun, the earth and the stars, or you can say that they worshipped nature and the universe, as you can see through the picture. Next point is megaliths, that is disposal of the dead. So mega means large and liths, again I am telling you, means stone. So children, people of Neolithic age buried their dead and marked their burial places with huge rectangular blocks of stones called megaliths, like this. They believed in life after death, so they usually buried the dead along with objects that they used during their lifetime. The next age is the Chalcolithic age or the Metal age. The Neolithic age was followed by the Chalcolithic age. At the end of Neolithic age, people began to use metals and copper was the first metal to be used by them. This period was called as Chalcolithic age or the Copper Stone age. Chalcolithic settlements were found in most part of India. Use of improved tools developed the agricultural skills which led to the production of more food than was required. Thus people learned a lot and made new improved items for their use according to their needs. And the very first civilization, that is the Indus Valley civilization, belonged to the Chalcolithic age, about which we will study in our next chapter. Now, the summary of the chapter, so that you can revise the chapter at a glance. The Mesolithic age followed the Paleolithic age. Mesolithic man-made microliths learned to grow crops and tamed animals. He also painted cave walls and rocks and buried the dead. The Neolithic age followed by the Mesolithic age. The Neolithic age marked the transition from hunter-gatherer to farmer-herder, including invention of wheel and development of new improved tools. Farming and herding led to the establishment of permanent human settlement, and community life began to take shape. Neolithic age men worshipped the forces of nature and buried the dead and marked the burial places with rectangular blocks of stones called megaliths. Now, based on the chapter, few question answers are there for you. Question number 1. List any two types of archaeological sources from which we know about the life of Mesolithic men. Next, list 3 animals that were domesticated during the Neolithic age. What are megaliths? Why did early man need pots? Invention of wheel was a landmark in the history of human. Explain it in your own words. Whom did Neolithic people worship? Now children, try to answer them by taking the help of the previous videos. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.